Meet Arjun and Meera, two best friends in Class 5. While Meera always finishes her work on time and has plenty of time to play, Arjun struggles to complete his homework and is always late. One evening, Arjun sat at his messy study desk, looking overwhelmed. Ugh, so much homework, and the test is tomorrow. I wish I had more time, he groaned. Meera, who had already finished her work, smiled and said, Arjun, you always say this, but we all get the same 24 hours. The secret is in using them wisely. Arjun looked confused. How do you do that? He asked curiously. Meera explained, I divide my time into study, play, and rest. Look, 1 hour for homework, 30 minutes for revision, and still 1 hour to play. Arjun was impressed, but unsure. I don't know if I can follow this, he admitted. Meera encouraged him. Start with small steps. Use a timer. Study for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. It makes studying easier. Determined to try, Arjun set a timer and started studying. To his surprise, he managed to finish his work faster and felt less stressed. The next day at school, his teacher was surprised. Wow, Arjun, you finished your work on time. What changed? She asked. Arjun smiled proudly and said, Meera taught me how to manage my time. I finished everything without stress. Meera beamed with pride as Arjun realized the power of time management. From that day on, he followed Meera's strategy, enjoying both work and play without any worries. And so, Arjun learned that time management is the key to success. Time is the most valuable gift we have. If you use it wisely, you can achieve anything. Plan well, study smart, and enjoy life.